Okay, so we're unboxing the Nitebird LED strip lights. Yeah, works with Google and Alexa. It's Wi-Fi controlled. Yeah, RGB for color changing. 16.4 feet. This is what it looks like inside the bag. But I think the bag just has a gray tint. It should be white, I would assume. Yeah, so it's white. You've got your lights in here with some adhesives. It also comes with an adapter to plug in your RGB lights. Some adhesive to stick around corners and stuff. And here's the wall plug that plugs into your wall. Pretty self-explanatory. A manual and instructions on how to set up the app. So that's what's in the package. Okay, Google, turn on the lights. Okay, so for ratings, quality, it's pretty good quality. Lights, yeah, they're really nice. And ease of use, and it's not too easy to use and not too easy to set up, but it's alright. Value for price, it's a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good value. App, it's terrible. I would not recommend it, especially since I use Magic Home app and it didn't work with that. It has its own app. And accessibility, 10 out of 10. It's easy to use. It has lots of functions. It's pretty cool. And last but not least, the description and the Amazon link is in the video description.